Hi friends, welcome to this video. I'm so excited to show you this new curling iron that Amazon just sent me. Came in this beautiful box. This is our curling iron. Have these buttons here to turn it on and to check the temperature. One thing that I love about this curling iron is that you can use it in 110 and 240 electric energy, so that's great because you can use it when you are travel to another country with different energy. Came with these gloves to protect your hands when you are curling your hair, and came with these accessories and this other. So as you can see, my hair is straight in this moment. This is the before of my hair, and we're gonna see the after. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna use the maximum temperature. So I'm gonna use the accessories to separate my hair in sections. Another thing is that when you finish of use it, your curling iron turn it off in 30 minutes automatically. And the way to use it is this way. It's easy, it feels soft in my hair. Just let a few minutes and let this. Look, it's fast and easy to use, and I think that is beautiful too because it's like pink, like rose gold. The size is perfect to travel with it. And the results, as you can see, are so great. I love it. I'm gonna use it in this part of my hair to show you a little more the results. And just in a few seconds I have this beautiful result. Look, this is my hair straight, and this is my hair after use the curling iron. So I highly recommend it for you. See you.